Hi everybody, it's Salimah from YogaVision. So happy that you joined in. Are you ready to move over adversity? Are you ready to leave the past behind you and step into your next true self? So today's session, we're going to get stronger, we're going to get calmer, and we're going to get over ourselves. So join me now for a really quick kriya, sets of exercises that are going to move energy through your body, get your blood pumping, and then a very special meditation using the mantra Satanama, one of the foundational mantras in Kundalini Yoga. Thank you for joining me. I'm here with Eve, and behind the camera is Noribel, and we're ready to rumble. How about you? Grab your mat, grab your cushion, whatever you need. Let's get settled in and let's get settled down. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. Think of that mountain that you want to overcome, that's standing in front of you. Maybe it's an obstacle, maybe it's a relationship, maybe it's a decision, maybe it's a mindset that you now need to shift out of. So think about that now, bring it into your consciousness and take 3 sniffs and a pow, and let's move it energetically out of the way. Inhale, 3 sniffs. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Beautiful. Sit up tall and straight. Lean up against your spine. Feel the strength of the back of your body. Press your palms together. Close your eyes. Inhale now. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, and let's tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Last one. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Take a moment now, squeeze root lock, squeeze anus, sex organs, navel center, squeeze your heart, your throat, your third eye. Exhale through the top of your head. And then reverse that. Inhale, bring the energy in from the top of your head. Squeeze your third eye, your throat, your heart, your belly, sex organs, anus, release, exhale. Good, everything tuned up and ready to go. Relax your hands down and start to move your shoulders now. Release any tension that has crept up over the course of the day. Have fun with this. Let this be a relaxing type of movement. Go both shoulders at the same time or speed them up differently. Let this be your practice, your rules, your movements. Bring the shoulders all the way up and hold. Take a deep inhale. And exhale, relax, and drop your shoulders down. From here, come onto your hands and knees. We're moving into position for push-ups. So bring your hands down and press them underneath your shoulders. You're going to watch Eve now. I'm going to explain some of these variations here, and you can watch Eve and see which modification works best. Now, for full push-ups, your legs are extended behind you on your toes, and you can raise and lower from here. Just a little bit, Eve, just so that people can see what's happening. And that's option number 1. Option number 2 is to bring your hands underneath your shoulders. Take a deep inhale here, and exhale, bend your elbows behind you and lower yourself down. So inhaling as you come up and exhaling as you go down. So this is a push-up position. Go for 26 here. Really press into your hands. We're starting to put energy into the upper part of the chest, bringing some strength into the arms. And then, of course, as you move your shoulders, we're also cleansing the kidneys and the meridians of your liver as well. So lots going on here, very simple exercise. Pick your option. Maybe you do full push-ups on your toes and lower down. Maybe you do a variation, which is what Eve is doing today, or you take your knees a little bit back and do a variation of chaturanga. You can also hold and breathe deeply. When we get to 26, we'll move on to the next part of our practice. And these are the warm-up exercises. So technically no kriya today. This is an opportunity for us to really focus on the meditation, which is overcoming adversity. So Eve, when you're done 26, you come to a tabletop position, back onto your hands and knees, and then we'll make our way onward into the next part of the practice. Remember to go at your own pace. If this is moving a little bit too quickly for you, then certainly slow it down and do the best you can in the time that we've allocated for this part of the exercise. Good. Sit back now and extend the legs all the way out to the side, so you're creating a squatting position. And then bring your fingertips down in front of your legs, bring the ankles together. If you've done my class before, you know that this is a setup for frog pose. We love frog pose. So from here, inhale, lift yourself all the way up, keep your ankles off the ground, and exhale all the way down. We're going for 26. Go at your own pace, inhaling as you come up, exhaling as you go down. Good, so Eve is going to continue, and from here I stopped at 13. You can stay here and hold still. If that's enough for you, you can stay here and hold still. Or you can use a chair and move yourself up and down. So remember, there's lots of options in terms of how you can move through this practice. When Eve finishes her 26, she's going to come down to a seated position, and then we're all going to start our practice together. So from here, you can simply breathe, or you can continue on with the frog poses. Frog pose is a great way to tune the chakras. That's what we were working on before with the breathing practices and the squeezing and holding. Pressing your palms together, and then fingertips down to the ground, and lower your knees down. Good, and then swing yourself around, coming into your cross-legged position. If cross-legged doesn't work, you can always take a chair. You can extend the legs out in front of you. There's no problem by changing your seated position so that you're comfortable. I'm using a pillow under my mat so that I can sit up tall and comfortably, and you can choose whatever prop it is that helps you feel the same way. Bring your hands together in front of your chest, in front of your heart space. Remember, we're overcoming adversity now. So hands are in front of the heart. The heart is the leader in this experience. The heart is where all the knowledge, wisdom, and power of your body and your soul reside. So we want to think with the heart and feel with the head. And that's part of overcoming adversity, is to shift our understanding of what's happening. Remember, this is your life, your choice. Separate your hands now so your fingertips are far apart. The wrists are glued together. And now we introduce a mantra. And as you chant the sound of sa, S-A, press the thumb tips and the baby fingers together. Sa. Ta on the ring fingers. Na on the middle fingers. Ma on the index fingers. So again, as a practice round, sa, ta, na, ma. You can see the lotus here. This is the lotus kriya. So sa, ta, na, ma. Now close your eyes and let's begin. Sa, ta, na, ma. Open. Sa, ta, na, ma. Open. Sa, ta, na, ma. 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 Last one out loud. Sa, ta, na, ma. Now is a whisper. Sa, ta, na, ma. 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 Last round, whisper. Sa, ta, na, ma. Now silently keep the mantra going. Keep your fingers going. Inhale very deeply, press the palms together. Take a moment here, pause. Separate your fingertips again, and now whisper, and then a few rounds out loud. Sa, ta, na, ma. 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 One more round. Sa, ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. And now out loud. Sa, ta, na, ma. 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 Last round. Sa, ta, na, ma. Inhale deeply. Press your palms together. Exhale completely. Feel the heat between your hands. Satanama is the Bij mantra, seed mantra. Sa meaning universe, ta meaning life, death, rebirth, Satanama. These pieces of the mantra, seed mantra, together equal Satnam. And that's how we'll close today's practice, along Sat Short Nam, to seal our practice, to present ourselves for the next opportunity. Sitting up tall and straight, lean up against your spine. Inhale very deeply. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Please ground yourself, bring your forehead and your palms to the ground, closing off the energy of today's practice. Satnam to you. Satnam, Eve. Satnam to you, Nori. And to all of you who are part of our global community, thank you so much. Satnam, thank you for tuning in. Move yourself over this mountain of adversity and into the ocean of wellness. Lots of love to you. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and if you like what we're doing, hit the like and subscribe to our channel so that you know when we're going live next. Drop a comment below. Tell me where you're coming from. Tell me what led you here to YogaVision. And feel free to check out all the other teachers who are teaching here as well. Much love to Nori behind the camera, and also who has her own channel on YouTube as well. Check out her work. And for those of you who are interested in taking on an enrichment program on Kundalini Yoga, please drop me a line, love.yogavision@gmail.com. Let me send you some details about that. Because if you like this practice on a daily basis, imagine if you knew more about the history, the philosophy, and how it all comes together. I'd love to show you the way, and that we work together as a global community to shine our light. Satnam.